to say the summary of the whole audio in 40 seconds. Now, some facts. You will get one question in the PT exam, or you might get 2 questions in the PT exam. Of course there is. That's why you're watching this video. That's why you're here. I want to share a special hack. Don't tell this to anybody, okay? It's a special hack and it works beautifully. Do you know what's the most interesting part about Retell lecture? Okay, it's exactly same as describing image. Okay, a lot of teachers knows about this. Okay, hello, welcome to PTE 5-Minute School by Brisbane PTE Study Centre. Today's topic will be Retell lecture. Just in 5 minutes, I promise you that I am going to explain you and guarantee you that you will get 90 in your next PTE exam. That's right, everybody. Watching this video for 5 minutes, I promise you that I'll get you a 90 in Retell lecture. Let me just first quickly introduce to you who I am. My name is Nahid, and I'm the head trainer at Brisbane PTE Study Centre, and I'm also the head trainer at App Unique platform, which you use it for your PT questions and practice all the latest questions from there. All right, thank you. Let me first ask you the question, what is Retell lecture? You will hear an audio which is approximately 1 minute long. Your task is to say the main points of the lecture in 40 seconds. To say the summary of the whole audio in 40 seconds. Now, some facts. You will get one question in the PT exam, or you might get 2 questions in the PT exam. Okay, this is the 4th question right after describing image. Okay, in the speaking section. Why is Retell lecture so important? Why we take it so seriously? This is because Retell lecture gives you approximately 10 marks. That's right, 10 marks in your listening, okay? And at the same time, it gives you 15 marks in your speaking section. So just answering this question, you can grab a total of 25 points. That is a lot of marks. Just wow, okay? I'm not sure about you guys, just answering 1 question or maybe answering 2 questions, you can score 25 marks, okay? I'm not sure about you guys, I want that mark, okay? According to the PT score guide, you need to explain the main points of this lecture in 40 seconds. Now, in simple language, it simply means you need to write down the keywords, okay, the repeated words, any words that has intonation and stress. Write all those words and you say them out loud in 40 seconds. Do you know what's the most interesting part about Retell lecture? Okay, it's exactly same as describing image. Okay, a lot of teachers knows about this, okay? It's exactly same as describing image. The only thing different between describing image and Retell lecture is that in describing image, content is not important, okay? If you're not sure about that, watch my video. There's a link I'm just going to put on the top, okay? Watch my describe image video. You will see that the content is not important in describe image. However, okay, in Retell lecture, content is important, okay? Why? Because you need to tell the software that you have heard words from the audio, okay? That's the reason we need to put some content in there. Other than that, it's absolutely same as describing image, okay? If you find describing image easy, this will be easy as well, okay? Now, since the content is important, I would like you to write down 15 words, okay? So in 1 minute audio, I would like to write down 15 words. There's no pressure if you are really bad at taking notes, okay? I know that not everyone, has the same speed of writing. So I did mention that in 1 minute audio, you will be hearing about 300 words, okay? The speaker says about 300 words. All I need is 15 words, okay? In case you can't, please, just write at least 10 words, okay? 10 words. I really need those 10 words. Otherwise, it will be a bit hard to convince the PT software to get those listening marks, okay? So we are writing those keywords to get that listening marks, okay? This is what we're doing. Let me first quickly tell you how to take notes, because you do need a little bit of note-taking skills, okay? I just want to say that there is no pressure when you're taking notes. Feel free when you're taking notes, okay? Just feel free, okay? There's no pressure. If you want to write just the words, some people say, can I write phrases? Can I write sentences? Can I draw symbols like hearts? Yes, anything that makes up a total of 15 words. Now the question is, the biggest problem at this stage that everyone finds the problem, which 15 words do I need to write down, okay? How do I know the repeated words? How do I know the stress words? How do I know which words are important? Okay, this is what interesting. This is what the hack is, okay? This is what I'm trying to teach you, okay? That this is where we apply a trick, a magic trick, okay? So as long as, okay, you can pick up any words from the script, literally any words from that 1 minute script, it's absolutely fine, okay? Don't take any pressure. You can write any words as you want, okay? You don't have to go around picking which word is important. Any word is fine. Now, think in this way, okay? Let me just give you another example. Just think in a different way. Like you're going to a restaurant, okay? When you go to a buffet restaurant, you know, you can see there's different dishes everywhere, right? There's 60, 80 different foods all lying on the table. All you have to do on your plate, you just need 15 different items from anywhere you like, and you start eating. Same thing, okay? From that audio, okay, you can take any words you like. I just need 15 words, okay? 15 words. Keep it simple. I'm going to play an audio right now, and I want to show you that how I personally take notes. You don't have to follow me. I just want to show you that what I do, okay? I usually pick 3 to 4 random sentences from the whole 1 minute audio and just try to write down what I can get, okay? All I need is 15 words. On your screen, just check what's the template. So let me just speak out what the template is, and I will speak in the same rate that I would speak in the actual PT exam. I use this template. The lecture describes. It also provides information about the topic in different categories. It is clear from the lecture that after analyzing this lecture, it can be concluded that ... are important facts and figures. Okay? So guys, now I have my notes ready. I've got my 15 words ready. Now see how I speak. Okay? Just see how I speak. Watch the speed that I'm speaking in, okay? I just need to finish 50% of the progress bar using my keywords, and that should be fine. Before I move on, okay, just have a look that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to combine my 15 words, and I'm going to combine it with my template, okay? Template plus keywords, that's what's going to give me that 90, okay? So I'm going to use the software today. It will be Iowa, okay? I said again in my previous video, this is a software that we use a lot at Brisbane PTE Study Centre.
Cities are interesting places. Some cities are carefully planned, built for a reason, and reflect the needs of the people as it grows. Others are less conscientiously designed. Paris, for example, was originally founded in the 3rd century as a small village. And with every passing generation, it grew in size and importance. It grew from a medieval city to a modern city, but the transition was not always smooth. Emperor Napoleon III had to hire someone to oversee the rebuilding of Paris. The man he chose was Georges Eugène Haussmann. In 1853, Haussmann began the process of renovating France's capital city. His basic instructions were to bring light and air into the central districts, improve the sanitation and living areas, and make Paris a more modern, beautiful city. Not your average weekend renovation. Haussmann's projects included the destruction of the old medieval neighborhoods, widening of streets, building large parks and public squares, and addition of fountains and sewer lines. To add to all of this, the size of Paris had to be increased, doubled actually, and Napoleon III issued official decrees annexing nearby suburbs.
Okay, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to skip because I have got 15 words
to connect all of the districts
and
together.
I should be ready by now.
If we think of Paris like a house,
the lecture describes about cities are interesting places. It also provides information about the topic in different categories: Paris, small, village. Transition was not always smooth. It is clear from the lecture that capital, city, and average. After analyzing this lecture, it can be concluded that cities, interesting places, are all important part of this lecture. You need to remember something here. Two things that I get these questions a lot. Is grammar important in the speaking section? No. Okay, absolutely no. Okay, so that's good. There's no grammar involved. And also, does the sentence have to make sense? Because what I said, okay, this template, if you look at the, you will see that the way I speak, the sentence doesn't even make any sense. It's just the template and the keywords are there. Will I still get 90? Yes, you will, okay? The way you speak, okay, without any hesitation, that's your speaking score over there. And the content that you spoke, okay, from the audio, okay, that's your listening score. So we have satisfied both requirement and you will get that 90, okay? Remember, you'll get that 90. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Just remember, as long as you speak without any hesitation, just like describing image, just utter those 15 words, sometimes 10 words, okay, you will still get that speaking score and you will still get that listening score. As you can see that if you just notice from that video that I stopped right there and there's still another 30 seconds to go in the audio. However, you can see that I wrote only just 4 sentences, okay? A random 4 sentence. I'm not stressed out. I just picked up any sentence that I liked and I've counted my words and there were exactly 15. Also, interestingly, there was still another 30 seconds to go. So that's what I'm saying, that note taking should be stress-free, okay? Just write anything you like. That's how easy it is, okay? As I said, if you have any other ways, you know, you want to just write single words, you want to write in phrases, I don't mind, okay? But the point is, the point of this message to you is that you can write any words as you want. You don't have to go after a certain keywords, okay? Keywords you don't have to write. All right, as you can see that I've got a pretty decent score, above 79. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Okay, it does. That's what I'm going to do today is because many of you use various softwares, okay? Everyone has a different software. So today I'm going to use another software, that's App Uni, because I have lots of students from App Uni as well. So I'm going to apply the same formula, but this time I'm going to use the software App Uni. You need to speak faster than any other software in the market, okay? In App Uni, the way it's designed is that you need to speak a little bit faster, but in the PT exam, you can speak a little bit slower. It's absolutely fine. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to play an audio called Cancer Cells. And I want to show you that applying my rule today and you can still get score. Here we go.
Cell division is an intricate chemical dance that's part individual, part community driven. And in a neighborhood of 100 trillion cells, sometimes things go wrong. Maybe an individual cell's set of instructions, or DNA, gets a typo, what we call a mutation. Most of the time, the cell senses mistakes and shuts itself down, or the system detects a troublemaker and eliminates it.
I'll stop right there because at this moment, because I chose a random words, I've got 18 words. So I'll click on start and I will start, just see how I speak, okay? How fast I speak. The lecture describes about the cell division. It also provides information about the topic in different categories. These are sometimes things go wrong. It is clear from the lecture that shuts it down cell to divides recklessly, weeks, months, and years After analyzing this lecture, it can be concluded that routine blood cell divisions are all important facts and figures. All right, have you noticed that I have finished just within 24 seconds? So what can we take from this video, everybody? What can we take from this video? Let's just sum it up, okay? Remember to take notes, 15 words from the audio, if not at least 10 words, okay? It doesn't matter what words you take from the audio, anything is fine with this, okay? Just remember, when you speak, no hesitation, okay? Secondly, just when you speak, just make sure you finish 50% of the bar, okay? That's all you need to do. Please don't take any pressure at all. And that 90 is yours, okay? That 90 is yours. All right, guys, I'm now signing off. But before I sign off, just remember one thing. PTE is easy, and that's why I'm here. I want to make PTE easy for you. Don't stress out. I was in your place when I was a student, okay? I remember I was in a social pressure, okay? Everyone knows that you are applying for Australia, aren't you? And you're going to study PTE. Your mom, your dad, your friend, your sisters, your brothers, everyone is asking, okay, when you're gonna get your PTE score, when you're gonna apply for your visa. Have you got your visa? It's a social pressure. I know that pressure is there. It's hard. I understand. It's hard. So just watch my video, apply it in your software link, okay? I mean, both App Uni and iOS software link is below. Practice those things. Make your mom happy, okay? Make your dad happy. Make your brothers and sisters happy. And most importantly, if you got a girlfriend and a boyfriend, make them happy, okay? Show them off. You're coming to Australia. Good, and see you next time. Bye.